Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to see a simple Java program which is a check prime number. Let me explain you what is a prime number first. A prime number which is a number divisible by exactly the same or by 1. That number we will call as a prime number. So let me get started with the program. Here we will define one method check prime and we will pass any integer to that number. Suppose I am passing here 7. As a 7, 7 is exactly divisible by 7 or 1, so it is a prime number. It should print the given number is prime number. Like this we will implement our method here, public void check prime, and we will pass as int number to this. Now we will define some variable here that we will use in our program. For example, int I am taking one median. I am taking median, which will be used to store number is divisible by. Then one flag variable I am taking here, like flag equal to 0. Then we will check first condition. If number means the number is divisible by 0 or 1, it is not a prime number. uh, like like number is equal to 0 or 1, then that number is not prime number. We will start from 2. So let me check this condition, num equal to 0 or num equal to 1. That number is not prime number. Will print number is not prime number. Number, and that number we will print as well. Now what we need to do, here we need to check second layer. We need to check, we need to iterate through this. For that I am using for loop. For I equal to 2, our loop will start from 2, then I is less than median and I plus plus. Here we will check if condition num modulo I equal to 0, then it is not a prime number. Sys out, the given number is not prime number. And we will make here flag equal to false. Flag equal to, we will make it as a 1 and we will break our loop. Else what we are going to do, if flag equal to 0, equal to 0, we will print that as a prime number. The given number is a prime number. Let's see this program, guys. It will work or not. We need to pass number as well, so that number will be printed. Let me check this should work. Here we need to mention static. It is showing static method cannot be referenced for non-static context. So we cannot reference static method from non-static context. This should be remembered. The given number is prime. We are getting here the given number is prime. Suppose we pass 1 here. 1 is not a prime number. It should give us the given number is not prime number. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.